I'm innocent. I don't want no face fresh. I don't like the
So to start off, I'm going to be using this Rough and Red Relief by O'Keeffe's. I'm not really sure how you say that, but this stuff works pretty well in hydrating your skin. Then I'm going to be taking my Baby Skin Primer, as always, and just putting that all over my face. And then I'm going to be taking my Sephora foundation in the color Clear Light, I believe. Clear Light 05, yes. I'm going to be taking my True Match Concealer in the color Fair Claire. And then I'm just going to take my Beauty Blender and blending that all out. And then I'll be taking my Maybelline New York Loose Finishing Powder and just setting my face. Then I will be taking my Wet n Wild contouring palette and taking, of course, the contour color and using that as a bronzer and just putting that over my face. Then I'll be taking my NYX eyebrow pencil and also my spoolie for brushing out my brows, and then my Wet n Wild illuminating palette, and I'll be using the brightest shade, the white shimmery shade, for my highlight. Then I'll be taking my Tarte blush in the color Party and using that for my blush. So the clips that you just saw before this are just me showing you the products and everything that I used on my face. You probably heard from that part of the voiceover. I went ahead and chose to do a voiceover for that part because it seems like anytime I try to do a full face of makeup on camera, the audio gets messed up with the video, and I will be talking and then the audio is just doing something else, and it's going on rambling about other things, then it's not matching up with my mouth, and it's very irritating because then I have to go in, edit a video, put in a voiceover that I wasn't expecting to do. Like, if I knew I was going to do voiceover, it would have been fine, but whenever it's dropped on me like that, it makes editing a little bit harder. So yeah, that's just my little explanation of why my videos, I do quite a few voiceovers, is because it gets messed up all the time. So moving on to the eye portion of this, I'm trying to decide what colors I want to do. I almost want to play with blue, but I don't want to end up like my boyfriend does my makeup video. If you haven't seen that video, you should go check that out because it was pretty funny, and I looked like everyone's grandma ever that likes to wear blue eyeshadow, so yeah. Maybe I can do like a smoky green look. There's like a sparkly green color here. I'm trying to stop being so basic, doing like the same stuff, and I want to do something different this time, but it'll probably turn out horribly, so this may become a fail video. I don't know. So for my base color, I'm just going to be taking this one right here. I don't know what the names are. They really don't say. It's just the one right here. I'm going to be taking and putting that all over my lid. Oh, foundation, what are you doing? My eyelids are so hooded, it's ridiculous. Now I'm going to be taking, I'm really scared of this. Oh my gosh. I guess I'll be taking this gray color here and mixing the black next to it, just mixing it very lightly because I don't think it's going to be gray enough for the look I'm wanting to go for. Oh, was I pointing out the wrong ones? I probably was. But yeah, I'm just going to be using these two colors right here. Alright, this is going to be scary. I already know it. So I'm putting those in the crease. Oh my. Darker than I wanted. Oh my, no. Okay, this, as long as I don't use too much product, I should be safe. But this is kind of scary right now. I'm kind of terrified. Same thing on this eye. that's what we got going on right now. Hopefully that's not too scary. So I am going to be taking this sparkly green color right here and just putting that on only the lid of my eye. I'm so scared. I don't usually put black shadows on my eyes, or like any dark shadows is what I'm trying to say, and like, I don't know, this kind of scares me. I look like a villain. That's what I think right now. Then I'm just going to be taking that same fluffy brush I used for the shadows and just lightly blending it together. Just so there's no random crease. Different. I don't look like Shelby. Who am I? Who are you? So now I'm going to be taking this little tiny fluffy brush and taking this color right here, this gold color, and putting that in my inner corners. So then I'm going to be taking this very shimmery pink champagne-y shade, and I'm just going to be putting that on the very center of my eye. My eyelid. And then next I'm just going to be taking my Lash Sensational mascara and just putting that on my lashes, of course, where mascara goes. Also going to be putting a little bit on my bottom lash line as well. My eyes are hurting so bad. No! I hate my eyes. So I'm just going to take the little spoolie and like clean up where I got mascara all over my face. I'm just going to add one more coat of mascara to my top lashes with the Maybelline New York Total Temptation. It just looks like this. This mascara smells good. What the heck? I've never noticed that before. Whatever. So this is very different from me. I've never put like dark shadows on my, I mean I've put them on, but like they never look good, but like I don't know what you guys think that looks good, but I think it looks good, so I'm pretty impressed right now. Now I'm just gonna clean up the outside just a little bit with my powder. That's what we're going with. And now for lips, I'm going to be using this 205 Nearly There. It's this little nudie, kind of shiny nude lipstick. Looks like this. And then I'm going to be putting on my Revlon tinted lip gloss. And it does not have a color on it, but it looks like this. I've used it in a couple of my other videos as well. Now I'm just going to be using my Master Fix setting spray. And that's the makeup. And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed the look. and I really hope like some of you do like it. Like I know it looks kind of scary, I think, like the way like I guess the light makes it look and it shines from the glitter I put, not the glitter, but the shinier shadow I put on it. I feel like it made it look a little like messy a bit or whatever, but like I feel like it helped brighten the eye look a little bit too, which is what it needed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe below, but only if you want to, of course. And with that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, everyone.